Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you an up-close look at this beautiful dresser behind me. We just got this put together. So before I show you what it looks like and tell you all about it, I'm going to show you what the assembly process looks like. We got this put in my son's room where I have decorated it as like a surf theme. So this is spot on. It is absolutely perfect. It is a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but honestly for his room as a toddler, I think this is a great size. He can access all of these drawers easily, and they're spacious enough to hold quite a bit of items, whether it be clothes, diapers, like more toiletry, like care items. This is a great option. It definitely gives a beautiful boho or coastal feeling. So the overall look of it is this light bleached wood, but it is made out of like an MDF material. It is not solid wood. However, the handles are a solid wood, and they are a little bit of a warmer tone versus the rest of the dresser. And then you have this beautiful rattan front decorative panel in all 6 of the drawers, and it stands off the ground just ever so slightly with this beautiful long leg board. I mean, everything about this is stunning and beautiful, and I would absolutely recommend this if you were looking for a wonderful dresser to fit in with a beachy, coastal, or even boho vibe.